just winning.
Notice how they're throwing the bike left and right with 130 kilos, 40 kilos more. It's like they're going to wrestle with it, get lined up. Exactly as how Whitney's going to do right now.
Oh, yes, the Captain Morgan, the crown winner.
Kids asking parents, right, Powley, what have you got for us? Oh! Yes, kicking the bike forward with the sea crab.
The second of the Powley's up with the cliffhanger.
How ridiculous is that?
And Squibby gets it sideways with the up